So, how many of you have used Danielle Laroche collagen eye cream and hyaluronic acid night cream? Okay, I heard about this company, and it's actually one of my viewers told me about it, and she was using the night cream, and she told me about it that she finds it like it's very hydrating. I was like, oh, maybe it's something maybe I should try it. So, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician, and in this channel we talk about skin care. Okay, what product to use to achieve clear glowing skin, product recommendations. I talk about basically anything skincare goes in this channel. Okay, anything skincare. We are on the mission to be free from skin issues and have glowing skin. All right, now if you like what you're watching, click that subscribe button and subscribe, and also the bell button for updates on my channel, and share this video to your friends, and click the like button and like it. Okay, just click the like button and like it if you fancy what you're watching. So I looked for it and I bought it. Okay, so but I went further and I bought the hyaluronic acid night cream, because you know how I love my hyaluronic acid. I cannot do without it, because when you talk about hydration, hydrating your skin, high moisture content ingredient that will keep your skin moisturized 24 hours and dry free is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid should be one of it. Okay, I keep pronouncing hyaluronic. It's actually hyaluronic hyaluronic acid. So yeah, so I went out and bought the Danielle Laroche hyaluronic acid, and I bought the collagen eye cream, and I've been using it. Okay, let me say something about this. Okay, I don't have any dark spot. This is why I didn't wear. Today is makeup free face. I didn't wear any makeup today. Look at my face. This is my face. This is my real face. No filter, nothing. This is my real face. Okay, and I wanted to show you guys. So I don't have any dark circles or any hyperpigmentation around my eye area. All I was looking for is something to keep my eye area dry free. When I wake up in the morning, I don't have any puffy eyes or anything, and this actually does it for me. The collagen eye cream does it for me. Like I said, I'm not treating any hyperpigmentation. This is how my eyes are. Sometimes if I do too much reading and research, I wake up with puffy eyes, but as they go by, it kind of dissolves, because I take care of it. Mainly I have my shower, put my eye cream. Sometimes I do a little massage with my ring finger. So anyway, this is good for when it comes to collagen. So this is the pack here. This is the empty pack, and this is the eye cream. So let me talk about the eye cream first. So the collagen eye cream, this eye cream contains hydrolyzed collagen, and hydrolyzed collagen gives you a very youthful appearance around the eye. It's more like hydrates the eye area, keep the moisture in, and stop your eye area from drying out and reduces for those of you suffering from puffy eyes. But I love some of the ingredients in this eye cream. Okay, some of the ingredients that I love: olive oil, and when it comes to olive oil is good for hydrating. It has jojoba oil, and shea butter. Okay, and one of the main things that I like about this is it contains no paraben, no silicone, there's no petroleum in it. So I love this eye cream. I don't know if any of you, if you've heard about this brand, Danielle Laroche. This is actually my first time of using it, and like I said earlier, I heard about them from one of my viewers. She talked about it, and she was asking for my advice because she bought the eye cream, so she wanted to buy the face cream. So she asked for my advice. I'm like, oh, I've not heard about them, but so let me try it now. So the eye area, I use it 2 times a day. As you can see in this video, how I use it: just 2 pumps with your ring finger around your eye, area. You dab until it dissolves, and I love it. It's good on my skin, but I don't know. It's just me, my skin. So if it's something you want to try, if you're suffering from dryness around your eye area, puffy eyes, I really don't know about dark circles. If you work some dark circles, I have no clue, because like I said, I don't have any dark circles around my eye area. Okay, the second one is the Hyaluronic acid night cream. Okay, now talking about this one, so you only use it at night. I use it every single day at night. Okay, what do I say? Hyaluronic acid is all about hydrating. It's all about moisturizing. It's all about keeping that youthful appearance. Now, when you're applying any face cream, don't rub it on your palm like that, because the cream then is finished. Just do like a little drop on your face with the cream, and then use your whole palm to massage. Okay, so what I noticed about this cream is when you apply it initially, look at how white my face is. It usually takes a while to dissolve on, into your skin. Okay, give it a good massage. Let it walk it in. Come on, walk it in. Walk it in. Okay, but then when you finish walking in, it's in. Look at the glow. Look at the glow this cream is giving me on my face. Look at the glow. It's so beautiful. My skin feels really, really hydrated. Can you see? Let me do a close-up. This is something that if you especially for aging skin, especially for dry skin, if any skin type can use it. Hyaluronic acid is for every skin type. Make sure you use it on a wet face. Make sure your face, even if it's not wet, but at least is moist. Don't use it on dry skin. Okay, my face was moist because I just that time I just came out of the shower. But yeah, I love it. It's good. So will I use this again? Yes, I probably would. And compare it with other of my skincare products. God, I have too many. But I'm loving it anyway. I'm loving my skin. You can see my skin now. I don't have any makeup. Look, no makeup. No makeup. So good skin is good. I'm not saying my skin is perfect, because there's no perfect skin. But I'm loving my skin right now. It's so beautiful. Now, Thank you so much, my favorite people. Is there any product you want me to review? Leave a comment below in the comment section. If there's any product that you're not sure you want me to review, you want me to find out about it, I'll surely do it for you. Okay, don't forget to share this video to your friends. Subscribe, click the notification button for updates on my channel, and I love you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.